Create stunning websites, build mind-blowing videos, create eye-catchy graphics, craft stunning marketing content and copies, gives instant customer replies and much more from one central dashboard. Now, creating mind-blowing business websites and landing pages with our state-of-the-art editor just became faster and easier. All you need to do is just insert the desired keyword, and our revolutionary AI technology creates stunning websites and landing pages for any offer in any niche in under 60 seconds. Here are its amazing benefits. Create industry-leading websites, landing pages etc. for any offer in any niche in 3 clicks. Tap into the huge website creation industry with no third-party dependency. Use easy-to-operate drag-and-drop editor to edit almost anything in few mouse clicks. Get professional, hand-picked templates that are crafted to perfection, keeping every business owner's needs in mind. Create eye-catchy websites that convert random visitors into happy buyers. With this by your side, creating mind-blowing professional videos using artificial intelligence becomes a tangible reality. Use AI Video Creator to create tons of professional videos for a variety of purposes, including promotional activities, lead generation, customer awareness, after-sales service, customer retention and much more. Zero script creation, zero background music selection, zero editing and zero hassles. Here are its amazing benefits. Create unlimited mind-blowing videos that get 10x more audience attention. Stop wasting time in writing lengthy scripts or recording long voiceovers. Use these videos to drive millions of views, subscribers and commissions. No need to depend on expensive third-party video creation platforms or complicated tools. Zero manual work. AI creates tons of stunning videos even when you're on the go. Gone are the days when you had to fork tons of money over third-party graphics and design platforms. Create eye-catchy graphics for any offer in any niche in seconds and grab more attention, more traffic and more engagement. aiwizard helps breaks all the barriers and uses artificial intelligence to create stunning graphics and designs that leave audience spellbound and enable them to stop depending on third-party platforms once and for all. Here are its amazing benefits. Create stunning graphics and designs for all your websites, blogs, and sales funnels. Say goodbye to hiring expensive freelancers or paying tons of dollars for graphics and designs forever. Convert your websites, blogs into powerful lead capturing machine. No waiting countless hours or learning complex software. Create stunning graphics that resonate with your brand and leave your audience spellbound. With AI Image Generator, create awe-inspiring images that effortlessly resonate with your audience and explore the endless possibilities with this no prior skills or third-party subscriptions. Now, stop doing what others are doing and quickly create detailed and realistic images in a fraction of the time compared to traditional image creation. Here are its amazing benefits. Create eye-catchy images that grab more eyeballs and convert random visitors to lifetime happy customers. Easy-to-use editor that makes image editing literally a cakewalk. Let this AI-based technology create fresh, audience-friendly images and much more in 3 clicks. Zero manual work or designing skills needed. No third-party dependency. Manage everything from a single dashboard. Use this crazy AI tech to bid a final adieu to facing writer's block and create amazing marketing content that resonates with your audience and drive 10x more traction to your offers with no manual work and no third-party dependency. Here are its amazing benefits. Create high-converting marketing copies that get high engagement within a few clicks of your mouse. Create 100% fresh, plagiarism-free marketing content for red-hot niches in under 60 seconds. Say goodbye to facing writer's block with no third-party dependency. Get professionally designed templates that add laurels to each and every content created. This never-seen-before revolutionary tech does everything with just a few clicks. Join this new revolution in the digital landscape. Use this latest innovation in AI arena and manage all your business from a single dashboard. Here's how aiwizard helps you save thousands monthly and make passive income without spending a dime. With aiwizard, you now that makes it a $21,875 income monthly with no huge investment or expertise needed. It's time to break free from the clutches of third-party platforms that charge a fortune for giving average services. Use the amazing power of aiwizard to create attention-grabbing marketing content with no manual work. This powerful technology creates 100% plagiarism-free content, videos, images etc. that gets higher search engine rankings. Stop paying tons of money to expensive third-party platforms and manage everything from a single easy-to-use dashboard. Keep following the rat race and pay $11,250 bare minimum monthly for managing multiple marketing apps for your business. Using aiwizard to automate your business tasks is a huge untapped success opportunity that's waiting round the corner. What you've just seen above is a clear reflection of the immense growth prospect that is in store for you. Just imagine, what if you have the power to replicate even 1% of their success, how much you can make and use it to give a dream life to your family. And when you multiply the growth chances with the possibility to let our talented AI tools do everything for you, the chances to get success will be above your clouds of imagination. As that's the main concern we addressed while designing aiwizard. It can be accessed from your phone, laptop, your PC, or even your iPad anytime you want. It doesn't matter where you are, all you need is just a proper internet connection. aiwizard works for you smoothly even when you're at the comfort of your home or while you take your brand new Porsche for a quick spin. After reading all these mind-blowing facts and figures, it is obvious that you've started biting your nails in anticipation how you can somehow start something like this. There is no reason why you can't be as successful with the immense growth prospects you just saw above, especially when the time is right and by your side. So, we decided to put an end to all this and create amazing AI-powered technology for every business owner on this planet. And so, we're happy to mention that after spending thousands of dollars and countless hours of brainstorming sessions, we've fixed the missing pieces of the puzzle and come up with something that's got your back covered from all ends even if you're a non-tech guy or you've never made a single penny online. Create stunning websites, build mind-blowing videos, create eye-catchy graphics, craft stunning marketing content and copies, gives instant customer replies and much more from one central dashboard. With aiwizard, it's time to say use the powers of artificial intelligence to grow your business as well as. With this exclusive commercial license, you can provide top-notch services like 100% plagiarism-free marketing content creation, attention-grabbing videos. Use AI to create attention-grabbing images and much more to tons of hungry customers at any price and keep the 100% of the profits for yourself. This is a never-offered-before opportunity and will help business owners get their investment back with just one sale. Commercial license included so you can create and sell these premium assets for clients and get paid, charge whatever you want, and keep the profits for yourself. The catch is that we cannot continue to offer aiwizard at this incredibly low cost. We are in the business of profit making. To support the various costs of this next-gen technology, increasing investments are required. So it just wouldn't make sense to keep up this price for much longer. My team and I rolled out this exclusive offer to help all you marketers play in the big leagues. But we can't pause time. Once the timer on this page hits midnight, we're done. This life-changing offer will vanish and you'll have to pay a much higher price for these fabulous features. We will be charging a monthly or yearly fee to keep up the world-class upgrades and tech support. Stop wasting time and energy on using complicated marketing apps that seldom focus on your business growth and use the immense power of aiwizard to manage everything 0ng from a single dashboard and drive more leads, sales and traffic in a cost-effective manner. The best part, aiwizard comes with no steep curve, no content writing, no prior tech skills, no video creation hassles, no third-party dependency, and most importantly, no huge monthly payment ever.